Hello guys, it's Tracer the Husky here, and today I have two devices. The MASS 1224D, which you 24D, which you saw in the other video, and we have this. This is a system sensor MA24D. Used to be an MASS 24D, but I decided to remove the strobe so it'd be a remote sounder. So it's basically the same thing as this, but without a strobe. And it sounds the same too. And it basically has the exact same functions, has the same slide down back plate on it. And this one, as I said, I got these during an upgrade while there was an upgrade at a university near me, in a county near me. So from a very nice technician friend of mine. But yeah, guys, good way to start your collection, just being honest, is to go, if you ever run into a fire alarm technician, ask him if he has any devices he's getting rid of, or call your local alarm company and tell them to save the extra alarm parts that they have for you. That's a good way to start your collection. Another way to start is eBay. Buying devices off eBay is really good. I really recommend SCR Safety Store, SCR Safety Store on eBay. I also recommend JJink. They both have some pretty good deals. But there's some tips for you if you want to start your fire alarm collection. So, this is Tracer the Husky signing off.